Hair growth extensions are always a problem that many people have to worry about. Because of the consequences of hair growth extensions, many people who are using hair are having problems. So, if you are wondering about hair growth extensions, this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, Sales Manager of K Hair Factory. Hair growth extensions are conditions in which your real hair grows longer than your extensions. Hair growth extension make the dark length more pronounced, creating a sense of separations between the extensions and the real hair. This sounds like a simple matter, but hair growth extension actually have a quite few consequences. The first and most obvious harm of hair growth extensions is the cosmetic effect on your hair. Another harmful effect of hair growth extensions is that it affects the growth and qualities of your real hair. As your real hair grows but gets stuck with the connections of your hair extensions, the ends of your real hair will become weaker. Not only that, hair growth extension also cause damage to the hair extensions. Hair growth extension will make your hair extensions more prone to tangles and breakable. These conditions, if maintained for a long time, will damage your hair extensions and reduce the life of your hair extensions significantly. So, how to avoid the consequences of hair growth extension? The first way to limit hair growth extension is to use hair extensions that are weft hair products. Limit the use of hair extension products such as tips and tapes to minimize the consequences of hair growth extensions. The second way to limit hair growth extensions is to be careful when using hair nets. The last way to help you avoid the harmful effects of hair growth extension is stop using hair extension when the signs of hair growth extension become obvious. When you clearly see the conditions of hair growth extensions, go to the hair salon to remove the hair extensions from the real hair. And that is what you need to know about the dangers of hair growth extensions. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory, Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.